Yeah, guys, so you just put the bolt, as I say, you put a 2-jar puller inside. This is a 2009 Buick Lasoba. Just put a 2-jar puller, make sure you get it good. This was a close tolerance. You put that onto the side and put the bolt all the way out, but not right out, just a couple threads, and that come right off with the pulley. And then when it comes right off, guys, it have a 2 spline. It have a spline behind here that goes with the spline on there. And no matter how you put it, guys, you got to make sure that spine fit in. Spin it until you get it there. So that's it. Put your bolts in. 24. And you're gone. That's it. You drive the bad boy in. I see videos say that you have to take the starter out. Guys, just get your thing lined up and put the gun on it. Easy access. And that's it. Pulleys in, 100%. Crank sensor in, 100%. Everything's in. And guys, it was leaking behind here. The housing for the timing, because the coolant run through here to go in the block. So very messed up design. So whenever you're doing the timing, please put in your gasket. And yeah, that's how you get on your crankshaft pulley for 3.8. And even probably the Malibu, Impala, whatever will have this engine with the common block, you have this setup. That's how you put back on the pulley, and that's how you get it off. And make sure you connect back your crank sensor, and your cam sensor is right under your starter, right here. So don't forget to like, share, and consider subscribing. That's how you get on your crankshaft pulley. And that's how you get it up. Basically, it is what it is. Thank you very much, and catch you on the next one, guys. Love you guys. I'm out.